Pankaj Gupta. I am Managing Director of Rachna Sagar Private Limited. It's an educational publishing house. And since 24 years, I've been running this institution. We have been developing pioneer books in pre-primary segment, primary segment, secondary and senior secondary. And we have got almost 1500 titles in our publication house. Initially, we were not using any kind of billing system or software for our accounting systems. And for 3-4 years, we have been maintaining the records manually. As we had 14 branches, we had 14 stock godowns, 200 to 300 authors were there in our team. The coordination should be there in the branches. The size of the company became more bigger and bigger. And then one of my friends who is a chartered accountant, he gave me a solution. He told me that there is a software which is called Busy. Saw the features of the product. We were happy about the royalties, the billing, the outflow, inflow, whatever problems we were facing, we were getting the solution for all the problems. The back-end operations, the integrated support which we got from Busy, that was wonderful, right? Starting from the initial period, I remember we were getting the post-sales report, the two-way billing system. We are getting full support of Busy system. The entire godowns are connected with Busy. The backup utility program, anywhere, anytime, use that program in the mobile application and you can see the outstanding payments. And these people, they are giving a helpline facility also. They are very smart, they can give you solutions very fast. Now again, 2 years back, GST rolled down and there was a problem again, how to use the GST according to our bills. The Busy people came and they gave us the solution. See, it's a kind of a wish list. If you wish anything, they give it. It's a magic wand. I would like to say to all the friends that the Busy system is very sturdy. It is very strong. I am happy that my business is controlled through Busy system, and I'm happy that I'm getting a continued support from these people. Thank you very much.